Want to speak real Filipino from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at filipinopod101.com.
Well, you want to become fluent fast, right? Here are the top 5 shortcuts to learning a language. Number 1. Create a study schedule and set some goals. Many language learners are unorganized. Creating a schedule allows you to free up time to study consistently. Goals give you motivation and something to strive for. Number 2. Make it fun. If you learn how to make your study time enjoyable, chances are you'll be more inclined to study. Watch a TV show with subtitles or listen to some music. Number 3. Find a language partner. This is the best way to improve your conversation skills. It will help you gain fluency even faster and increase confidence when speaking. Number 4. Use word lists to build up a solid vocabulary. This is a great way to build up your fluency, one word at a time. Luckily, we have all the word lists you need, with a range of topics, from food to love. Choose whichever language you want to study and go. Number 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Nothing helps you improve more than correcting your own errors. You're more likely to remember it correctly the next time around. Everyone makes mistakes. Don't be afraid to learn from them. There's no magical way to learn a new language overnight, but doing all of these can really help your learning process.
May isang lalaki at babae na nag-uusap. Aling orasan ang kanilang tinitignan at anong oras ang nakasaad?
Alam mo ba kung anong oras na?
Pasensya na, nakalimutan ko ang relos ko ngayon.
Ganoon ba? Nag-aalala ako kung maaabutan natin ang tren.
May orasan sa may pasukan ng istasyon.
Mabuti naman. Nako, ang tren ay parating na sa loob ng 5 minuto.
Iyon ang tren ng pang-10, tama ba?
Oo, dapat na tayong magmadali kung ganoon.
Aling orasan ang kanilang tinitignan at anong oras ang nakasaad? May isang lalaki at babae na nag-uusap. Aling orasan ang kanilang tinitignan at anong oras ang nakasaad?
Alam mo ba kung anong oras na?
Pasensya na, nakalimutan ko ang relos ko ngayon.
Ganoon ba? Nag-aalala ako kung maaabutan natin ang tren.
May orasan sa may pasukan ng istasyon.
Mabuti naman. Nako, ang tren ay parating na sa loob ng 5 minuto.
Iyon ang tren ng pang-10, tama ba?
Oo, dapat na tayong magmadali kung ganoon.
May isang lalaki na susundo sa anak na babae ng kanyang kaibigang babae. Sino ang anak na babae ng kanyang kaibigan na babae? Pasensya na sa abala, pero maaari mo bang sunduin ang aking anak na babae?
Sige, kilala niya ba ako?
Oo, nakita ka na niya sa mga litrato kaya siguradong makikilala ka niya.
O sige, ano bang itsura niya?
Ang buhok niya ay itim at kulot, balingkinitan at mas matangkad kaysa karaniwan.
Okay, may iba pa ba?
Sinabi niyang isusuot daw niya ang sombrerong binili ko sa kanya dati. Puti yon at may itim na laso.
Mukhang madaling mahanap naman pala. O sige, susunduin ko na siya ngayon.
Salamat! Sino ang anak na babae ng kanyang kaibigan na babae? May isang lalaki na susundo sa anak na babae ng kanyang kaibigang babae. Sino ang anak na babae ng kanyang kaibigan na babae? Pasensya na sa abala, pero maaari mo bang sunduin ang aking anak na babae?
Sige, kilala niya ba ako?
Oo, nakita ka na niya sa mga litrato kaya siguradong makikilala ka niya.
O sige, ano bang itsura niya?
Ang buhok niya ay itim at kulot, balingkinitan at mas matangkad kaysa karaniwan.
Okay, may iba pa ba?
Sinabi niyang isusuot daw niya ang sombrerong binili ko sa kanya dati. Puti yon at may itim na laso.
Mukhang madaling mahanap naman pala. O sige, susunduin ko na siya ngayon.
Salamat!
Want to speak real Filipino from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at filipinopod101.com.
To master a new language and understand everything as soon as you hear it, to read with just a quick glance and speak smoothly without thinking, you need to review. Here are our top 5 review tactics. Number 1. Listen to examples over and over again. By listening closely and often, you start to pick up the rhythm of a language, as well as correct pronunciation from a native speaker. Use our line-by-line feature that lets you both listen and read along. Use this tool to practice as much as possible. Number 2. Use our voice recording tool to master perfect pronunciation. Record yourself and compare it against the native speaker. If you sound different, then repeat after the native speaker until you're able to match them. Use our voice recording feature, which makes recording super easy. Number 3. Master your recorded conversations. Record conversations and go over them again and again. Master entire conversations and repeat them line by line. Use any of the dialogues available for download on our website. These come with transcripts of the entire conversation. Number 4. Use mobile devices to reinforce previously learned conversations. Constant review is the best way to progress in your language studies. Download the recorded dialogue to your mobile device and incorporate it into your music playlist. Quick reviews throughout the day effectively reinforce what you've learned. Number 5. Read with line-by-line notes. Read along with a native speaker to really master pronunciation and natural intonation. You should start slow at first, then slowly increase your speed. Your pronunciation will become more natural. You will also see that your ability to understand fluent speakers will greatly increase. You'll be able to improve your communication skills using these 5 simple review techniques.
May isang lalaki at babae na nag-uusap. Ano ang una nilang gagawin?
Ano ang gusto mong gawin ngayon?
Gusto kong manood sa sinehan.
Okay, gusto ko manood ng laro ng baseball sa TV.
Gusto ko rin mamili.
Mag-uumpisa ang laro ng baseball ng 1:00 ng hapon.
Okay, manood muna tayo ng pelikula para makanood ka ng laro pagkatapos.
Mainam. Tapos, lumabas tayo para mamili mamayang gabi.
Ano ang una nilang gagawin? May isang lalaki at babae na nag-uusap. Ano ang una nilang gagawin?
Ano ang gusto mong gawin ngayon?
Gusto kong manood sa sinehan.
Okay, gusto ko manood ng laro ng baseball sa TV.
Gusto ko rin mamili.
Mag-uumpisa ang laro ng baseball ng 1:00 ng hapon.
Okay, manood muna tayo ng pelikula para makanood ka ng laro pagkatapos.
Mainam. Tapos, lumabas tayo para mamili mamayang gabi.
Kamusta?
Kamusta?
Kamusta ka na?
Mabuti naman. Salamat. Ikaw, kamusta ka na?
Ganun pa rin, gaya noon.